Hello hair heroes, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. On this channel we are obsessed with growing healthy, long, natural hair naturally. In today's video I will be sharing a powerful hair growth spray recipe that I've been liking lately. A fenugreek, rosemary and bay leaf infusion. If you are looking forward to boost your hair growth, add shine, simply nourish your scalp, this is a perfect DIY for you. Let's get started. We'll be making use of dry rosemary leaves, dry bay leaves and then fenugreek seeds. Let's talk about the importance of fenugreek for our hair. Fenugreek seeds are rich in proteins which stimulates hair growth. They also contain a natural emollient that helps hydrate your hair and make it super shiny. We are taking 3 pieces of bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of dry rosemary leaves, and then 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. Let's add all these 3 herbs into the glass jar and add 1 cup of warm water to it. This will extract all the goodness from the herbs into the water. Let them soak for at least 5 to 12 hours, preferably overnight. Let us go ahead and talk about rosemary for our hair. Research shows that rosemary is powerful in improving blood circulation in the scalp. This increased blood flow helps provide more nutrients to your hair follicles, stimulating growth and strengthening your. Let's continue to talk about bay leaves for hair growth. Bay leaves are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, which help soothe your scalp, reduce dandruff, and promote a healthy environment for hair growth. And let it sit overnight. If you have watched till now, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and comment below. Sieve the mixture and pour into a spray bottle. If you are suffering from dandruff, brittle hair, hair thinning, breakage, please, this potent spray is for you. Now let's talk about how to use the spray for best result. Part or section your hair into sections. Spray the mixture on your scalp and the length of your hair and massage it into your scalp very well. Dear lovelies, consistency and patience to use this herbal growth spray for some time is key here. Don't forget to seal in the moisture that you have added to your hair with a hair butter or an oil. I use this spray 2 to 3 times per week for best result. Store the spray in the fridge to keep it fresh for up to 1 to 2 weeks. Be consistent with the use of this spray. Thanks so much for watching my video and I will see you in my next one. Bye.